Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good night. I don't speak English. My name is John. I have 80 years. I don't speak English. I know some words only, but I will recording videos for help me to learn. If you give me a hand,
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel and also press this
comment,
bell icon.
or even tips, I will be very grateful. English is not my mother language, and I don't know. I don't know. Uh, you understand my words, but let's go. Uh, give a like, give me a like, please. Let's read how it happened. uh, how it happened that Master Jerry Carpenter. I understand very, very less. I guess. Uh, found found a piece of wood. 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 Uh, wood. 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 Yeah. Okay. Found a piece of wood that wept and louded like a tooth. Like a tooth is, uh, I guess, is tooth is crying, and louded, I guess. Centuries ago, there lived. I don't know how is my pronunciation, but I don't know. I don't know. Speak. A king. King. Okay. My little Radius. Okay, I understand. We will say immediately. A king, my little Radius, will say immediately. Immediately. Okay, let's go. No, children. Children is boys and girls, little little person.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
No
And
children.
also press this bell icon.
You are mistake. You are mistake. Once upon a time. Okay. He is to speak a history. Once upon a time, there was a piece of wood. A piece of woods. Okay. Wood. It was not. It was not an expensive piece of wood. Expensive, money, much money, right? Much money. This I understanding. This I understand. Very money. I want a very money. Expensive piece of wood. Far from it. Far. Né? Very far. Né? Just a common block of firewood. One of those thick solid logs that are put on the fire in winter to make cold rooms cool and warm. I don't understand nothing. I don't understand nothing. But in next video, I will continue. Help me in this comments, please. I wanna to learn your language. Help me to learn your language, please.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Video.